South Carolina. This is the first STEM Fest, a series of events that are going to go across the entire state of South Carolina over the next year.
So today we are at Spring Valley High School in Columbia, South Carolina. We are hosting our first STEM Fest powered by Clemson University. And we're here today with different stations like aviation, flight simulation, drone cage, chemistry, the whole nine. So we're excited to be out here with South Carolina.
This is so important because this is all about engaging students and helping them learn. I am a STEM person, so of course when I'm around any kind of STEM event, I get very excited. But why I get excited is because it's real-world application of what we are teaching in the classroom. So when you combine those two things together, you help turn on that light bulb for students so that they can figure out what are the career fields that they're going to pursue when they graduate school.
Oh gosh, there are so many activities that just look so fun. There's always a line for the slime, so I love watching the little kids make slime, and that's such a good example because you make slime at home, but you don't think of it as a STEM activity, but there's a lot of interactions happening when you make slime that turns it into slime. So to connect something that they might be doing at home to a STEM event, I think that's great.
Twist wires to enter the mechanism of this and the propeller, and through the mechanism, this is the battery, these are the batteries that makes the energy go through the wires into this, which makes the propeller work and move.
Today, this is our launch for our kickoff. It is amazing. I mean, to see all these students here and parents and hands-on is just the excitement. You can feel it as soon as you walk into the room. Joyful. You know, it just warms my heart. I'm all about, empowering people, and I come from a line of educators, and I was an educator in high school, taught chemistry and physics, and seeing this makes all the difference in the world,
It's one science, one belief, one word.